Hey there everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check the grid profile settings on any of our inverters that have a pilot card, such as the Gen24, Tauro or Verto. Firstly, you'll need to access the inverter's web user interface. You can do this by connecting a smart device to the inverter's Wi-Fi access point locally, or if the inverter is online, you can access it remotely by using the remote configuration function. And we've put in 2 videos in the description below that'll show you both of these methods. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SolarStart's QR code scanning function to connect to the inverter. Firstly, we need to activate the inverter's Wi-Fi access point by pressing the sensor button once, which is located on the front of the inverter. You'll know that the Wi-Fi access point is active when the right LED is flashing blue. Then open up the SolarStart app on your device and open up the QR code scanning function. Then what you need to do is scan the QR code, which is located on the nameplate of the inverter. Your smart device will connect to the inverter's Wi-Fi access point and automatically take you through to the web UI. Once in the web UI, navigate to System, then Information. Click on Print to PDF, then you can name the file and select which information you want if you don't want the full report. Once you've done this, click Download to save the file on your device. Open the file and you'll be able to see which region has been selected under Setup Version. Grid profile settings are located under Country Setup. Alright, so now you know how to check the grid profile settings on any of our inverters that have a pilot card. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.